equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the closure system and handle of your Thermomix TM5. This process is crucial for maintaining the efficiency and safety of your appliance. Let's dive into the tools you'll need before we start. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small container to keep your screws safe. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and completely cool. Begin by removing the bowl and lid. This will give you clear access to the closure system. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws on the back of the Thermomix. There are 4 screws that secure the closure system. Carefully unscrew them and place them in your container to avoid losing them. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the closure system away from the body of the Thermomix. You may notice some residue or dirt. This is a good time to clean the internal components with your soft cloth. Keeping your appliance clean is essential for its longevity. Now, let's focus on the handle. The handle is attached with 2 screws located on the side. Use your flathead screwdriver to pry off the handle cover gently. After removing the cover, you'll see the screws. Unscrew them and replace the handle with the new one. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. After replacing the handle, reattach the closure system by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Finally, before you plug your Thermomix back in, double-check that all screws are tightened and that there are no leftover parts. If you need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to contact us. We ensure transparency and quality service. Once everything is in place, plug in your Thermomix and test the closure system to ensure it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with any concerns you may have. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the closure system and handle of your Thermomix TM5. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your appliance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.